You get to see great features in Nokia company's smartphones at a low price. If you are currently looking for a great smartphone in mid-budget, then Nokia is going to launch a great smartphone for you. In this you are going to get a big battery of 8500 mAh, with 200 megapixel DSLR camera. Yes, we are talking about Nokia Infinity Max 5G smartphone. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this powerful smartphone. So let's start. Features of Nokia Infinity Max 5G. Display. In this great smartphone, you are going to get a 6.85-inch Super AMOLED display, with 4K resolution, in which you will get to see 1440 x 3200 pixel resolution, refresh rate of 144 Hz, and in-display fingerprint sensor. Apart from this, the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3 will also be seen in it. Operating system. Talking about the operating system, you can see Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset in it. With this, you will be able to do professional gaming and multitasking in a very smooth manner. And if we talk about the operating system, Android 15 will be available in it. Camera setup. The camera of this smartphone is going to be quite amazing. You will get to see quad camera setup in this great smartphone, in which there is going to be a 200 megapixel primary sensor, with OIS support. Apart from this, it includes 32 megapixel ultra-wide shooter, 16 megapixel macro snapper, and 8 megapixel depth lens. Apart from this, a single 50 megapixel snapper is also provided for selfies and video calling. Battery backup. You are going to get a 8500 mAh big battery in this smartphone, which will come with 125 watt fast wire charging support, and 25 watt wireless charging. Apart from this, you will get to see Type-C version 3.2 charging socket. Price or launch date. Lastly, if we talk about the price, no official information has been received about it till now. But according to leaks, its price could be around $700. And if we talk about the launch date, it can be introduced by the middle of next year.